Mother and daughter. Introduction. This picture shows a beautiful scene of a mother and her daughter spending time together in the kitchen. The kitchen is filled with warmth and love as they enjoy cooking side by side. Let's take a close look at everything happening in this picture, starting from the mother and daughter to every small detail around them. The mother is standing on the left side of the picture. She is a young woman with light brown hair that is tied back in a loose, simple bun. Her face is glowing with a big smile, and her eyes are full of love as she looks at her daughter. You can tell that she is enjoying this moment very much. She is dressed in a pink t-shirt and is wearing a blue apron with small flower patterns all over it. The apron keeps her clothes clean while she works in the kitchen. In her hands, she is holding some dough, which looks soft and ready to be made into something delicious. Beside her is her young daughter, standing on the right side. The little girl looks like she is around 5 or 6 years old. She has the same light brown hair as her mom, and it's tied up in a small, cute bun at the back of her head. The girl is also wearing a pink t-shirt just like her mother's, and she has a matching blue apron with the same flower design. The connection between them is clear because even their clothes match. The daughter is reaching up with her hand and gently tapping her mother's nose, which is making both of them laugh. This shows a playful and loving relationship where they are not just cooking, but also enjoying every moment together. What are they doing? The mother and daughter are busy in the kitchen, but it looks more like fun than work. The mother is holding a ball of dough in her hands, and it seems they are making some kind of food together, maybe bread, cookies, or something else yummy. The little girl is helping in her own way, probably learning how to make the dough from her mom. There is flour on the table, and the daughter might have helped to mix the ingredients in the big silver bowls in front of them. In the middle of the table, we can see cookie cutters shaped like stars, hearts, and other fun shapes. This gives us a clue that they are making cookies. There are also some eggs on the table and a jar of milk sitting nearby. All the ingredients are ready, and they are in the process of preparing something together. The mother is likely teaching her daughter how to mix the dough and use the cookie cutters. This is not just about baking, but also about sharing a happy moment, full of love and learning. The kitchen. The kitchen is a very cozy and warm place. Right behind them, there is a big window with a view of the outside. The window shows tall green trees with bright sunlight shining through the leaves. It looks like it's a nice sunny day outside, and the sunlight makes the kitchen feel even brighter and happier. The view of nature from the window adds a peaceful and calming atmosphere to the scene. It feels like this kitchen is a special place where the mother and daughter enjoy spending time together, creating delicious meals and memories. On the kitchen counter, we can also see some more details. There are some jars, a rolling pin, and some utensils. Everything is neatly arranged, and it seems like they are very organized while cooking. The presence of the milk jar and the eggs shows they are using fresh ingredients to make their food. Emotion and connection. The love and bond between the mother and daughter are the heart of this picture. The way the mother is smiling and looking at her daughter shows how much she loves her. The daughter's playful touch on her mother's nose shows how comfortable and happy she feels with her mom. They are not just cooking together, they are sharing a special moment filled with joy and affection. You can feel the love between them as they laugh, learn, and spend time together. This is a moment they will remember for a long time, and it shows how important it is to spend time with family. Conclusion. In this picture, the mother and daughter are doing more than just cooking. They are sharing love, laughter, and learning. The mother is teaching her daughter how to bake, and the daughter is enjoying every minute of it. The kitchen is filled with the warmth of the sunlight, the freshness of the ingredients, and the joy of their special bond. This picture reminds us of how special these small moments with family can be, especially when we work together and have fun.